So we're in here playing with them, taking pictures, and they think that she can get booed. Masita. She plays with them. Take pictures. Okay. Throw the football over here. Masita, ven. Toss it, toss it. Now you can get a good picture of them running towards you. What's going on there? What's going on there? What was that? Take a picture.
Wait. Pause the camera. Pause the camera.
Masita, come here. I guess the floor is too slippery for them. Okay, it's time to go back. You guys,
Yeah, look, they can barely walk on
they can barely walk on this floor. I think it's because there's still baby powder on the floor. Sit, sit, sit. Did he just pop a spot? Hey, Chewy, or King, your new name. Good. Look how she just. Look.
No, Jordan is tired. He can't no more. It's time to put him
All right, let's go. He's tired.
Yeah, put him up.
All right.